Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how we can search for specific data in a large Excel sheet. If you see it's helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Let's start. First, by Ctrl F, directly you can bring search window or just from home. Here we have find and select. Find. For example, I search for number 300. Just find all. You see, we have 5064 numbers with 300. Find next. Here also. Let's change for another number. Must be more unique. 1025. Find all. We have three cells with this number. 1025. That's the first one. To find the second one, just find next. Here we have 1025. Find next. Here also we have. That's the way to search for Excel data in a large Excel sheet. Have a nice time.